Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified quantum computing as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 144.67% since we first categorized quantum computing as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.81% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month analysis suggests a potential change of approximately 165.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 108.88% and 207.70%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of nearly 80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from a decrease of 22.70% to an increase of 192.82% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between approximately $15.96 and $60.47. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline High Volatility in Quantum Computing Inc. stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $20.65. The Quantum Computing Inc. stock price gained 10.78% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, rising from $18.64 to $20.65. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.95%, with a low of $18.21 and a high of $20.93. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 4.35% gain over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 19 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 39 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $803,430,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $27.15, while the lowest price was 44.5 cents. Currently, the price is 23.94% or $6.50 below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Inc. QUBT experienced a significant surge in its stock price today, soaring 10.8% amidst a generally positive trading day for major indices like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. This impressive upward movement is complemented by a recent rating change from Cantor Fitzgerald, which initiated coverage with an overweight rating and a price target of $15, signaling strong investor confidence in the company's future. Furthermore, QUBT has achieved a notable milestone by shipping its first commercial entangled photon source for quantum communication, contributing to a remarkable 50% price increase over the past month. Such advancements position QUBT as a key player in the rapidly evolving quantum computing market and suggest further potential for growth. However, amidst these gains, there are ongoing investigations related to potential securities law violations involving QUBT's officers and directors. While this scrutiny could create short-term volatility and investor uncertainty, the company's substantial cash position, exceeding $350 million following a recent $200 million private placement, provides a solid buffer for future developments. In the short term, today's favorable market response coupled with the positive rating may attract more investors, likely driving prices higher. In the long term, sustained innovation and successful navigation of legal matters will be crucial in establishing QUBT's market position and ultimately shaping its stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendient assigned QUBT a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During market corrections, support is expected at levels $18.12 and $14.77. A decline below either of these thresholds will generate sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been observed, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.69%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Sell signal. Pivots. Sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 176 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 45 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $19.79. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.72 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 14.95%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.51%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $21.22. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, quantum computing faces its first support level at $19.79. Should this support level hold, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing, drawn from various analyst sources, is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider transactions. On the 30th of June, 2025, Huang Yuping made an insider purchase of 1,050,812 shares of common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, Boehmler Christopher made an insider purchase of 22,314 shares of common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, Boehmler Christopher also bought 58,510 shares of common stock. On the same day, Boehmler Christopher conducted another insider purchase of 185,719 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 13th of June, 2025, Boehmler Christopher purchased 7,495 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, reflected by a ratio of approximately 31.172. In total, insiders acquired 59,821,631 shares while divesting 4,162,921 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.74, reflecting a decline of 4.38%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a substantial level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Quantum Computing Incorporated holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it a favorable choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, July 3rd, we expect quantum computing to open lower by approximately 719 cents, starting at $19.93. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you'll acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.